Sir, you
Okay,
shared this
student.
PDF.
Yes.
Shared this PDF.
Which PDF?
This module PDF.
No, no, I didn't share. I will share. Yesterday I said that I will share in the evening, but till the posting the merging the two videos and posting in the YouTube, it will taking the time. Evening only I posted. No, so today I will share it. Okay. So yesterday we have
Sir,
seen the yes, please. Yes.
sir, for that subjective test, what to prepare, sir? Book or material, and which material, sir?
Both. That is book. Book is basic. The textbook is basic. No. So prepare that one, and rest of the things you can materials are support using to learn more or to see more examples. That way to get more clarity. That is supportive material.
Sir, sir, that
Textbook.
website, no, sir, on that website, what material, sir? Material 1 or material 2, sir?
No, whatever material which is in the first chapter. Chapter 1 materials are there. No, that you can prepare it. If you
Okay, sir.
click the material, it will take the drive. Okay, in the drive, many PPTs and PDFs are there. So which the PPTs which is in the belongs to first chapter, please prepare that one.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
and textbook is very important. So question textbook is a basic materials and all to give the extra knowledge. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So yesterday we have started the fourth chapter. That is how to use the module, how to create your modules and all we have seen. So what is module? Yesterday we discussed. Can anyone answer what is module?
It is a contains a set of defined functions.
Yes, it contains the function definitions. Module is the collection of function definitions. All the functions are defined inside the module only, not the program, not the call statement, not other things. Only function definition. Okay, that is module. Okay, and one more term also we have seen, package or library. What is library?
It is a folder which collects all modules.
Very good. It is a file. It is a folder which collects all the modules. Collection of modules are called as package or library. We can say. Often we will change the term between a package and that is a library. Okay. So, but both are similar meaning only in Python. Okay. Library or package. What it contains means it contains collection of modules. What the modules may contain collection of function definitions. Could you understand? Could you understood this? What is
Yes, sir.
package or library? Yes. So we have seen there are two ways are there to import the module. Can you say what are the two ways?
Import module name.
Import form.
Yes, by using, you can see the
Import
slide.
and from.
Yes,
From
first
import
statement.
as from
Hmm.
import that particular function.
Yes, first by using the statement import module name. That is the syntax. And second one is with using the keyword from module name import function name. This is the syntax. From module name import function name. Okay, you can see the slide, the syntax and all. Okay. So import syntax, import module name. If you want to import multiple modules also, we can import by using import module name 1 and module name 2. For example, I want to use two modules. One is Sting module, another one is math module means also it is possible. Import Sting comma math or Sting comma random function, random module. So what are the modules I want to import that I can import in a single statement itself. If you particularly you want to use the specific function means, then we will go for the from statement. Okay, the from statement is used to the from method or type is used to import a particular function only from module name. From the math function, if you want to use square root means, you can see the example from math import square root sqrt. Okay, we no need to put the parenthesis. That's the noting point. Okay, simply we have to write the function name alone. Okay, that is another one method. We have seen the number of random module, math module. Now is a very important concept, how to create our own module, sir. If we have in the question, many built-in modules are there, math module, random module, Sting module, many modules are there in Python. If you want to create our own module, how to create, let me see it. Okay, it is very easy. I already said what is module means. It's a Python program, sir. It is a Python program saved in the same extension .py. But that function, that program contains what? The Python file contains only what? Function definitions. Okay, that is module. Do you clear it or not? What is module means?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is good. So let me see. They are giving some example in the slide. Better we will go for the Python prompt. We will create our own module, and let me see the example. Okay, let me go to the Python prompt. Here you can see I already created the 2 modules. It will be useful for you. Afterwards, we will also create our own module. Here, this is the program. Import temperature. What is the module name?
Temperature.
Temperature is a module name. We are giving alias name for the temperature. Whatever we can use. Math module also import math as M. We can give another name for the module. Okay. For better,
We need
for
to
our
write like this, sir. M
no,
dot
we can
like
write.
that. You need to write.
Yes. No. Import module name as TPI given no in first
Sir,
line.
while calling that instead of match, we need to write M or match.
M dot instead of math. Generally, we will call math dot power function, math dot sqrt function we are using. No, instead of we are giving alias name means for start purpose. Instead of typing a lengthy word, it is our own convenient only. Okay, but it is not mandatory. It is optional only. Okay, see the first line. I'm just giving import temperature. Temperature is the module. It's a user defined module. I'm giving alias name for that. As is the keyword used to give alias name for the particular thing. Okay, here I use the keyword as to giving alias name for the module temperature. That is TP. I given alias name. Okay, you can see the second line. T equal to I get the input. Enter Celsius. In Celsius I got, and F is a variable. I'm getting the Fahrenheit value also. Okay, then R1 equal to TP dot 2 centigrade function. So 2 centigrade is a function name. 2 centigrade is a function name. How many arguments we are passing in the 2 centigrade?
One, sir.
Only one. That is F. Fahrenheit we are passing. The 2 centigrade function, clearly you can understand this function is used to what? To convert into centigrade. Okay. R2 is another one variable equal to TP dot. TP means it's referring the module temperature. Okay. TP dot 2 Fahrenheit of the. Yes, please.
Sir,
Yes.
dot to centigrade function is built-in function, sir.
No, it is user defined function. I am showing only the program for you. After that, I will show the module also for. Okay. For better understanding, I am showing in this way. Okay. So TP dot 2 Fahrenheit. TP is a module name. That is, we are giving for another name for temperature. That is actually temperature dot 2 Fahrenheit of C. 2 Fahrenheit is a function name. Where it is defined? It is defined in the temperature module. Temperature is a module name. No. We are giving another name for the temperature, that is TP. That's why I'm using TP dot. Could you understand? Could you understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So TP dot 2 Fahrenheit of C. Here also I am passing one argument. Okay. Then I am printing the result. Okay. Let me go to the module for better clarity. Here you can see the temperature dot py. This is the module name. Okay. We have therefore no import temperature we have seen in the program. No. That's why I shown the program at first for better understanding. Okay, temperature is a module. Generally, I'm opening on Python prompt. I mean a file. You just want to define the function definition only. Here, the module temperature contain how many functions?
Two functions. Sir.
2 functions. One is 2 centigrade function. Another one is 2 Fahrenheit function. Okay, I already said what is module. It is a collection of function definitions and some variables, global variables also. If you want to use means inside that, okay, we can declare it. But here there is no need. That is, for example, pi value and all, it is declared like that only. Okay. So here we defined all the functions. 2 centigrade function, 2 Fahrenheit function. It contains 2 centigrade contains how many parameters it is receiving?
One, sir.
One parameter.
Only
like
one parameter.
Yes, 2 Fahrenheit also receiving the only one parameter. You can see in the second line of the module. R equal to, it is a formula for to convert to Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, that is F minus 32. That is the minimum degree of Celsius. That's why, and into 5 divided by 9. So result will be return. The function is returning R. Where it will return, where the call statement is made, to that statement it will return. Okay. Then fifth line you can see that function also doing that. 2 Fahrenheit get the Celsius, convert into the Fahrenheit. Okay, that is C plus 9 by 5 plus 32. 32 will be added. Okay, then it will, after calculating the value, it will return the R value. Same the call statement where it is made in the main program, it will return the function, it will return the value. Okay, now I am going to the program, main program. This is main program only. Okay, now you can see second line we got input, Celsius we got, third line we got the Fahrenheit. Okay, then fourth line we are making a call statement to call a centigrade function. 2 centigrade function we are calling. Okay, how to call? First of all, where the 2 centigrade function is defined, whether it is in the same program.
No, sir.
No, we
If we
defined
define in same program, then it is function.
Yeah. Here also 2 centigrade is a function only, but whether we are defining the same program? No, we didn't define. Yes, we didn't define in the same program. We defined in a module. That's why we need to refer the module. Actually, R1 is a normal variable here to receive the value from the function. R1 equal to temperature dot 2 centigrade of F. Actually, instead of temperature, I'm typing T because what? As TP, I given another one name for the module temperature. That is a temporary name. Okay, for your understanding. Can you catch this point, alias name and all? Or it is confusing? Is it okay?
No,
Can
sir,
you
understood, sir.
Okay. So R1 equal to temperature dot. Actually, we need to write temperature dot 2 centigrade function. We are calling the function by passing an argument F. Okay. Fahrenheit we are passing to the 2 centigrade function. What the 2 centigrade function will do? It will convert into the centigrade. Okay. Then it will return the R. We have seen in the module, no, return R. Okay. Then that R will be received by R1 here in the main program. Likewise, in the fifth statement, R2 equal to temperature dot 2 Fahrenheit. We are passing one argument C. That is, we are passing Celsius. 2 Fahrenheit function is used for what? To convert into Fahrenheit. Okay. Could you understand? Yes, please.
Sir, for TP we can write temperature, sir.
Yes. Whatever name we can give, whatever name, not an issue. Temperature as there is alias name we are giving. That we can give, we may omit also. It is optional only. Actually, instead of we are typing, you can see in the fourth line TP dot. Fifth line also TP dot we are using. No. If we didn't use the TP means what we have to mention? Temperature dot we need to type. Actually, I typed, but you can see in the print statement, sixth statement, it is goes 2 or 3 lines, no, like invisible. That's why I just given a short name. Could you understand this
Okay.
one?
Okay, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
alias name only we may give, we may not give. For example, the module name is lengthy or our convenient, we can give alias name. It is a TP is a local name. That is for this program only the TP will work. But wherever if you are creating a new program, we can use temperature only. That is the module name. No. Okay. Let you come to the fifth point. Okay. Yes, please.
Sir, if I use instead of TP here in the same case I'm using temperature, sir, it will print output.
You are asking instead of TP temperature dot 2 centigrade, temperature dot 2 Fahrenheit. Definitely, why not?
Equal to temperature dot 2 centigrade. R2
yeah.
TP dot.
Yes. Temperature dot 2 Fahrenheit. That is the actual process. Yes.
We are importing as TP only, no, sir.
I will change it. You are asking to change.
No, sir. Write import temperature as TP.
Okay. That's why. Okay.
In R1 you take TP and write temperature.
No. I understood. Instead of that, we are giving no. It will not. It will show error because temperature name only we given what we are referring inside the program as TP, right? Did you understand? Fine. First line, what we are saying, we are importing temperature. We are giving a name for that. That is TP. So the program only know what the program know TP only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what is TP? It is alias name of temperature. That is where we mentioned. It is in the first line we mentioned. We are importing the temperature module, but we are giving another name for that. Did you understand, Pa?
Yes, sir.
For better understanding, for example, in your home or in your locality, you may be called by another name. Okay, not by school name. If you are coming from school and asking your name, they don't know your locality people may not know you. Okay,
Sir.
in that name. Okay, yes, please.
Sir, once again show that module, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, this is the module. That module you can see in the header. I mean, in the app starting temperature.py. It is a Python file. What is module? It's a Python file. It contains the function definition. For example, I created in this program 2 function definitions. Did you understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, let me run the program for your better understanding. So here, come to the 6th line. I will explain the 6th line. Afterwards, we'll go for it. Okay,
Sir?
print of that. Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, for TP, you are saying it will show error or not, sir? Instead,
You want to
temperature if we write.
You are saying generally if you are referring TP, but we are using temperature.
Sir?
We are giving alias name. Afterwards, you are using the temperature.
Yes, sir.
That's why that it will create a confusion. That's why I'm saying it will create. Then there is no need of giving alias name. No. Actually, what you asked is correct only. We can give directly temperature dot 2 Fahrenheit only. We have to write for our convenience only. We are writing that. It is optional only. Okay. Let me
Yes,
go
sir.
to hello. Yeah, okay. Let me go to the 6th line. We are printing F. That is F value, Fahrenheit value. We got Fahrenheit degree. That is, for example, 32 is a Fahrenheit I given, or 102 is a Fahrenheit I given. 102 degree Fahrenheit is R1. What is R1? 2 centigrade function converted to R1. No, that is 102 Fahrenheit is equal to 34 degrees Celsius. Okay, for example, I'm saying. And next line, C, that is Celsius. For example, 33 Celsius or 34 degrees Celsius is R2. That is Fahrenheit. 102 degree Fahrenheit. That's why. Okay, if I run this program, you can easily understand. You can please Celsius. Okay, I'm just mentioning 38. Fahrenheit value, I'm just giving 108. Okay, then you can see the function is returning 108 degree. What is it? Fahrenheit is 42.22 degrees Celsius. 38 degrees Celsius is 71 degree Fahrenheit. It is converting. Could you understand this one? Can you see the output?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, let me go to the program. Did you understand this? How to create a module, how to import the module, how to call the function which is defined inside the module.
Yes, sir.
Could you understand this? Okay. Let me see our own program. Okay, we are going to write our own program. Let me see. Yesterday we have seen area of all those things. We will write the module. Okay, I'm going to write the module. Module contains what? Only function definition. No, the function AC, area of circle. Okay, area of circle is what is the formula? Pi r
Pi
square.
r square.
Yes, we need only r value. So I'm just getting the parameter r only I'm receiving. Okay. 1 minute. You can see how I am creating the module. It will useful for you. Okay. Then what is the thing? Result I'm just giving RA I'm using. Okay, for better understanding. RA equal to RES I'm using. RES equal to pi r square. That is 3.14 into r square. No. So here parameter is r. That's why I'm using r into r.
Into R.
Okay. Yes. Then return r. Sorry. Return res. Okay. So we defined that. And area of circle we are defining. Def area of square. AS I'm using. AS is a function name. Okay.
Result is equal to A into A.
Yes. So parameter we want to receive A. Yeah, as you said, we can return it.
Sir?
Return. Yes. Yes, please.
Sir, why AS is in violet color, sir? In before function, it is not in violet color.
I just giving. I want to. As is a keyword. Now I should not give. As is Ali's name. Last program we have seen. No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ASQ I'm giving. Good. Good now. We are seeing very nicely. Good. So returning AET, A square. Then can you say another an area formula? Area of triangle. Anybody know?
Yes, sir. Half into base into height.
Half into BH. Okay. Def area of triangle. AT I'm giving. AT B into H. So we want to receive B comma H. Two variables. Sorry, two parameters. Then return where directly we can return, or else I'm using one variable also for better understanding. Half into, that is I'm just using 0.5 into B into H. B into H. Okay. Okay, but that's all. For better understanding, time is going. So we created the three functions. I'm just giving space for giving clarity.
The last function I didn't return.
Ah, yes, yes, that is very important. Return or rest. Okay.
Then
Okay. Yes. Ask me.
instead of returning, we can write print of that is no, sir.
Why not? That's also we can do. Okay, I will. Here I'm printing directly. Okay. One function, one method we will write. First function return. Yet we are assigning the variable and returning the variable. Second function without variable directly returning the value. I mean after calculating. And third function printing here itself. Okay. So I'm just giving area of what is this? Area of rectangular triangle. Okay. Area of triangle comma res. Okay. Do you understand this one? Can you able to see the all the functions?
Yes, sir.
This is module. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we are now we are going to see save the module. I'm just saving it. In actually in computer you should save in the normal local folder. Local folder means default folder. Okay, I'm just using home application directly. I'm saving it. Okay, or else better understanding, I'm creating one more new folder.
Sir,
Yes, please.
when saving in computer, we need to use the extension .py.
Of course, that's why I'm showing that. Okay, .py is mandatory. Then only it is considered as a module. Okay, I'm just storing. I'm creating a new folder. That name is in computer it is different. If you want to store in different location means you want to import the another method, that is this module, sys module, that I will tell later. Okay, for mobile purpose I'm showing like that. Okay, here I'm creating a module. Folder name is module sample. Okay, module sample I'm created. Inside the module sample, new file, I'm just giving the name for that. This is the module name. Okay, area is a module name. Okay, area.py. Please see that this is the module name. You should not forget it. What are the function name we given? Can you recall it? For area of circle, AC we given. Area of square, ASQ we given. And area of triangle, AT we given. Okay, so what is the module name?
Area.
Area. So I'm just saved. So now you can see this. The area is a module. Now I'm going to create a new program. Okay, in the new program I'm going to import area. Import area. Sorry, area. I'm just imported. Now I want to just giving the normal value. Okay, r equal to 5.
Import areas capital A.
Okay. Wait. I will type it. Then afterwards I will do. Okay. B value we need to give. No, B value 10. I'm just giving. We can get the input from user, as you know how to get int of input. Okay. Runtime we can get the input. For time being, I'm just typing like this. Height equal to 15. I'm just giving. What are the variables? Area of circle R is needed. Triangle B and H is needed, and square A is needed. Okay. So I'm just the side value. I'm just giving 5. Okay. Or else different value I give 6. I give. Okay. These are all the values. I'm going to call the statement. Okay. So first I'm just calling R1. Simply whatever variable we can give, R1 equal to area of, this is the normal method for area dot, that is module name dot function name. What is the function name? If I want to find the area of circle means, what is the function name?
Yes.
AC.
AC. Okay, AC of how many arguments we passed?
One.
Only one. So I am passing R value, that is the radius value I am passing. Okay. Now I am printing the print statement. Circle, I'm just giving area of circle. Okay. Circle, comma R1. So R1 is getting the value from the function. Okay. Then next I'm calling another one called statement. For example, R2 equal to area of square. So area dot, what is the area of square function name we defined in the module? Can you recall?
ASQ.
Q.
ASQ. ASQ, and here also, I mean,
One argument.
we given one. Yes, argument we given 1 minute. Yes. So now we call the function. Afterwards, again printing the statement. 1 minute. I'm just copying and pasting. Okay. So area of square. Okay, R2. Here the variable R2 is receiving the value, and we need to call the triangle function. The triangle function we made print statement is there itself. No, so we no need to print. Yes, we simply
R3 is
call the
equal to.
no, but that the print statement. I mean, triangle function doesn't return anything. No, that's a white function. No,
Okay, sir.
see this. AT is a area of triangle is a void function, doesn't return anything. Okay, let me go to the program. Area dot, what is the function name we given? AT. AT of two arguments, B into H. Sorry, B comma H. Okay. We
B
pass
comma H.
two arguments. Yes. B comma H, we pass the value. Okay, there itself it is printing. Now I'm just executing this. What is it? Program. You can see this. Oh, showing import as AC is not there. Did we given another name? Wait. AC is there. Let me see the go to the main program. Oh, we need to save it. I forgot. Okay. I'm saving this program in the same folder. That is needed. Okay, that's very important. Where it is, we created one folder. Can you recall it? Module sample.
Module sample.
Yes, select. I'm just giving you a file name. This is our program name. Okay, I'm just giving module name is area. Here I'm just giving the program name. So yeah, I'm just using the program name area program. Okay, area pgm dot py. This is a program name. Now you can see. Okay, it is returning. Can you see this area of circle? The function will be the imported area will be imported, and the function is done its job.
Sir,
Yes, please.
we need to
Yes.
save both the program and.
Yes, that's correct. We need to save actually in this. It is of course in computer also we need to save the file. Then only we can run in script mode. Okay, because we are importing the modules also. No, that's why we need to say. No. I'm saying we are importing built-in module means not an issue. If I stored in the home module means I can directly run the program. Where I stored the module, I created a new folder. In that folder only I stored. No, can you recall it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's why we need to save the program also in the same folder. Suppose we want to use it means another method is there. Okay, that I will show. I will show in the later. Now you can see. Are you understand how to create a module? How to create a function for that? How to create a program for
Yes,
that?
sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
here the
sir.
program is just completed in the 10 line itself. But if you are writing all the functions in the same program, for example, area finding area is easy. For example, whenever you think about the project and all big project, it contains number of code. The main program may contain what n number of lines. If you want to make, if you made any small error also, it is very difficult to find the error in the coding. Can you guess it? How it will be? Could you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's why that is the use of function. Now you try to understand how the function is useful, very much useful for the programmer. Okay, the function is a part of the program. Wherever it is located, that time we are simply making a only one line call statement. Okay, with argument. The argument is there means simply we made a call statement. The function will come and it will execute. The functions, all the functions are stored in another one file, that is a module. Did you understand this one? How it will be easy, how the function is useful, how a module is very much useful. So if you want to use, if you want to store multiple functions, if you want to write multiple functions, means that time we will go with the module. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we will wait for the second session. Second session, I will show the how to access from different location, not from the home location, how to access from the different location. Let me see. Okay, please join in the second location, sorry, second session also. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this thing, in this program?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have you, have you clearly understood how to create a module, how to import the module also?
Yes, sir.
So for example,
Sir?
I want to use, yes,
Sir, we have
yes.
to store the module and program in same folder.
That's why my mobile I'm just stored in the same folder. In computer, we should save in the default folder. Suppose I want to store in another one for another one drive, the E drive I want to store, or F drive I want to store. Different location if you want to store means we need to import one more module, that is module.sys. Import, we need to module sys, system module, SYS. Okay, then it will be, we can easily access the folder. I will show in the next slide, next session. You can understand easily. Now in this current thing, you understood now how to create a module and how to access the module and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will ask one question. For example, I want to use only the area of circle. I no need to import rest of the function. What will be my first statement?
Import area as that function.
No. From we are using the keyword. No. From.
Sorry, sir.
Import area from AC.
No.
From
Import
area,
area means all the thing will be imported. No.
area import AP.
No. From.
Area.
From
Sir,
area
import area
AC.
from AT.
Yes,
Sir,
from
from
area
import
import AC. Yeah, for example, area of circle means. Good. So that is if you want to use a particular function means we can use that line alone instead of importing all the three functions. Okay. Now you can clearly understand how the math modules may contain number of functions, how we are using it, isn't it?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you able to guess it? Okay. Instead of we are using only one function, we are importing all the functions. Okay. So it is a better method. Okay, students, we will join in the second session. Time. Okay, students. Now you can see the slide here. How to access? For example, the module may be useful for more than one program project. For example, I will explain the situation to you. You created one module. You can, for example, we want to do the project. No, I mean in this 12th end of the year, academic year, we need to submit the project file. No. For example, you people want to design a project entirely. It want to be done by you. Maximum 3 members can be allotted per group. Okay, that is a group project in the CBSE. Okay, so whenever you are doing, one of the student may write a main program, one of the student may write a part of the part of the function. For example, you are about to write a function, project. In the project, 12 functions are there. Okay, 6 function is will be written by one student. Another 6 function is, because it is a group project. No, 6 function is defined by another student number 2. Okay, and the third student is writing the main program. Okay,
can
so all the six program will be imported, saved in a form of module. Okay, student one module. Okay, so that student will complete all the six function definition. Okay,
sir,
another thing, yes, please.
sir, if I am writing one module, sir,
Yeah,
writing another module, we can combine that both module
that's
into.
a single module, but we need to save and given a new file name. Actually,
Yes.
what is module? We are giving a file name for the Python file. No,
How to do this, sir?
that's why for simply copying and pasting. For example, I will. That's why I'm explaining. Second student done the sixth definition, function definition, and he having one file. That is student2 that is another one module. Okay, so whenever you are going to the third student and that by want to making the importing the module means you want to import student1.py, student2.py, and if you, sir, all the modules want to be clubbed into a single module, sir, how it is means just copy all the module and stored in only one module.
Like this also we
And
can say.
sorry, yes,
We created two modules, sir.
it is not audible. Can you say please again, once again?
We created two modules, sir.
I didn't get it.
We
How
created
to
two
create?
modules,
Yes, we created two module. Yes.
and I am opening a third file, new file,
Okay.
and I am writing import module one, import module two.
Good. Okay.
I am saving that.
Okay.
Then I can use that third file as a module.
I understood. I understood. Yes, yes. But what is the thing? Whenever we are accessing a file, whenever we are accessing a function, where the function is defined, I understood. The third file contains import module one, import module two, two lines only. Okay. For example, n number of modules you are importing. Okay. How you will access the function name? Module name dot function name only. No. What is the module name? Student 1 contains 6 function definition. Student 2 it is a module, it contains another 6 function definition. Okay. Student
We
3 it is
create
a module
import
name.
three.
And that's why student 3 is another module. It contains what imported of module 1 and module 2. Right? Do you understand? Now,
Yes.
student 3 dot, for example, one function name is what is the thing? Tools. Tools is a one function. Okay. For example, that is a function name means student 3 dot tool. If you are using means whether the student 3 tool function is defined in the module student 3.
No, sir.
No, that's why it will show error. What I'm saying, you want to copy the function. Normally we are copying, no, just to copy all the functions from module 1 and paste it on new file, and copy all the functions from module 2 and paste it another one, same another third file. Then you save the file. Then all the 12 functions are defined in a single file. No,
Okay, sir.
that is the way, that is a proper way we can clubbing the modules. Okay. As you
Sir?
asking, did you understand how it is? Yes, please.
So student 1 is accessing it in another device and student 2 is in another device. How to combine both?
Device means I didn't get that is you are saying about computer.
Yes, sir.
That is you are networked to the computer. The module is accessing by two computers. So what's the problem?
Different
Nothing.
computers.
Yes. Yes.
Sir?
Yes. What is the question? I didn't understand the question.
No, sir. Module six function is defined in a module, sir, by student 1 in one device.
Okay.
And second person is accessing module 2 in another device. How can we combine?
No. That's why I'm coming to tell. All the modules should be present in the same function. Sorry, same device. Then only we can approach it. For example, like internet, you are planning to access the module from another computer. You are asking like that, or
Sir, 1 second, sir.
that is you are about to access a function without storing in your device. For example, in my computer, I didn't have the module. In my library, there is no module, but the module is present in another student computer.
Yes,
So
sir.
from that, how to access you are asking.
Yes, sir.
But it is only possible if the computers are connected with the network. If it is connected with the network, then only it is possible. Okay, same network, not like the internet. Internet, we need Python. If you want to access the internet, lot of protocols are there. Then only the file can access it. Okay, that will have a more complexity. We can do. I'm not saying it is not possible. It is possible, but for that we need to write on another program. Okay, that will be more complex. We are simply accessing a module. What we can do, simply mail the module and store in your local device, which computer we are using, then we can use it. And time of accessing also will be considered. That is the big problem we will face in the Python. Because as you know, Python is what type of a language? Interpreter or compiler language?
Interpreter.
Yes, actually it is taking one by one line and it's executing. Then it want to calling another program, that another program want to connect it with the internet, then access the finding the location of that device, that is IP of another device. In that device it want to access where the module is stored, then accessing. You just think it how how time will be taken. Can you understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but it is possible. Good doubt only you are asking. It is possible, but the time taken will be more. Complexity of the program will be more. Okay, that's why. Then better we will install all the modules, store all the modules in our own device. Okay, it may be a mobile or whatever, computer or laptop. Okay, let me see. I will explain this another answer for you, ma. That is, we can access it within the LAN. If it is means all the LAN computer want to get connected with the proper protocol and IP, then we can easily access it. That is also time will be taken instead of that also time will be taken, prolonging the execution of the program. Okay, let me see another one thing. If the module is stored in different locations, okay, how to access it? Very simple. I will explain one scenario for you to better understanding. Suppose the student one bringing his own module in one pen drive. Okay, student two bringing, he prepared another one module. Sorry, that is function definition stored in a module. He bringing in his pen drive. Okay, now you inserted the two pen drive. How to access it? The program you can copy it into your computer. That is second case. First case, how to use from different locations. For example, we stored all those two modules in another drive instead of C location. C drive only normally we are using. That's why we are installing the Python, all the files and all. Okay, but we are suppose we are stored in the D colon or E colon, whatever thing. How to access? This is the question. Further, the slide will answer it.
So
Okay,
that last,
appending path. Yes, please.
in question, that last line, can you repeat?
That's for example. Yeah,
After
how to?
importing the pen drives.
I didn't get you.
After inserting the pen drive, what you say, sir?
That's why. After, for example, we inserted the two pen drives in our computer. Okay, the two modules are presented in our two pen drives. First way, what we can do, we can copy that pen drive content and store in our own location in our computer. Directly, we can do it. Okay, or else I want to use only from the pen drive, or else from another drive. Suppose I copied from the pen drive, I store it in the D colon or E colon. There is different partitions are there, no? Okay, different drives I stored. Suppose a drive, E drive I stored. Okay, basically the Python program will access from the native
If
location, that is Python 32 to 38 program. That is a folder name only it will access. If the module is not inside the home folder, it is present in another folder or another drive or another pen drive. How to access it? How to access from external, for example, external hard disk. Okay, how to
this,
access it? Let you see this. Then we need to append the path. Append means you know the meaning, adding. Okay, adding the path. Path means way. How to access the module? We need to create a way. Very simple. I will directly go to the program for better understanding. You can see the slide. Import sys, that is SYS. It is a module. It is built-in module or predefined module for the Python. Okay, this module is used to accessing the computer. This module is meant for to granting the access inside the computer in all the drives. Even if you are inserted the pen drive also, we can access it. Imports is, then you can see in the second line, that is very important. Sys dot, this is a module name. Sys dot path, path is a function. Okay, which is defined inside the module sys. Okay, up and off, it is a function, another function. We add the path. Okay, up and off that for example, I am stored in my pen drive. Okay, my pen drive name is H colon. Okay, so I want to give H colon slash inside the folder module sample module is the folder name. Okay, module sample slash that module name. For example, area is a module name. I stored inside the folder of sample module. Okay, it is in my pen drive. My pen drive colon is, that is my pen drive name is HI given. That is the default time given. Computer is allotted that colon. Then you can see in the second line of this function, sys dot path dot append of H colon slash, I mean the reverse slash. You can see this user slash Sammy slash like that. No, likewise H colon slash then sample module or the folder name slash the function module name is area. Then import area. First it will allotted the path. First two lines we are allotting the path. Okay. First line especially we are importing the module which is help to allocating the path or creating the path.
Sir, 1 second, can I repeat that up and after?
Append dot the location of the module. Location of the module where we stored. If you don't know where I stored, sir, very simple. Right click on over the file, you can go to the properties. Then you can get that. Can you
We
able
can
to
copy and paste it, no, sir, directly.
definitely. We can easily copy it, and the file name is not mentioned. So file name we need to type. Okay, that is the module name. Okay.
That syntax
So
can you say again, sir?
yes, that is you can see in the screen. You can easily understand. For example, H is here. H colon is a pen drive location means. Okay, example only I'm saying. Okay, H colon slash, that is the backward slash folder name. What is the folder name? Sample module
Area.
suppose a folder name. Area is the module name. For example, sample module sample is the folder name means module sample slash area is the module name. No, area we need to give. Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, likewise we need to give, and you
After
can see
completing area, we need to give slash.
of course slash, then we need to quote within the double quote, within the double quotes or single quote.
Okay, sir.
We understand. So
Sir,
likewise you, okay, then you can see the third line is normal line. Can you guess what is that? Import hello means what is here?
import statement.
Importing function.
Function.
Sir,
Hello is function.
Import module.
importing module, sir.
Yes. Normally we done in the last program import area, import math like that. Here module name is they mentioned as hello. Okay. So importing we are
Sir,
module, then we are writing our own program. Please.
instead of sys, we can give any variable.
This is not variable. This is a
Sorry,
function.
sir.
Sorry.
Import of it's instead of sys module, we can give any module.
I didn't
Sys,
understand what. No,
instead of
import.
SYS, we can write A, B, C.
No. This is what it is, the predefined module. It is a predefined module in Python. Okay. We cannot rename it, no. A temporary name we
I'm
can.
creating an empty module.
No, you are totally mistaken, I think so. That this is a predefined module. What is the use of the module means? That module contains many functions, like append function and many functions, path functions, many functions are there that will give the access to access our program inside our computer. Do you understand what I'm saying or not?
That for accessing one set of functions are
Yes.
that are stored in sys.
Yes, but not only for accessing. We need to set the path. No, for example, in our computer somewhere we stored the module area where we don't know means how the Python interpreter will find the way. Interpreter how it will find the way. So that's why we are writing the first three line in our program. We are importing the sys. Okay, the sys program. Sorry, the sys module contains all the functions. That is the how to find the module. Okay. The second line, we are defining the path.
Sir,
It's actually defining a path. Yes, please.
sir, that user slash SAMMY, that is what?
That is in the computer they are given in their computer. For example, user slash Sammy is a folder name. User is another folder name. Okay. In our computer, for example, suppose that's why I given the example. Suppose in our program, in our computer, inside the H colon folder name is sample module. Sample module is the folder name. Suppose what we need to give h:// I mean the sample folder slash we need to give inside the double quote or single quote. Okay, it is an example only.
Sir, H after only colon, sir.
H:, yes, the capital H. I mean the D:, E:, you know that in our partition, computer partition, no. Suppose our pen drive is H:, means I'm saying example only. Do you understand?
Sir.
Okay, that's why if we are storing other than our home directory, other than our home location, then we need to install, we need to write the extra 2 lines. The first line and second line. Suppose we are directly stored in our Python folder itself, we no need to do anything. First line itself, we can import module name. Directly we can access it. That is the way. Do you understand? Did you understood? Yeah. Okay, students. Do you have any doubt in this? Today you practice this, and tomorrow you have test also. That is chapter 1. Okay, function revision tour of Python tour 1. Okay, please prepare it. And programming side also the question will be asked, and theory questions also will be asked. So prepare well and thorough it. All the best to all. Okay.
In next class, can you show example for this?
Which one, pa?
For this
example.
Imports is.
Import this. Shall I show in the computer only? It is a mobile. No, directly we can access it. So in our mobile, you can see I stored it in different location only, not in our home location. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
I created one folder. That folder name only what I given. Module sample I given. No. Okay, sir. It is we cannot access this in the mobile. I'm saying. Okay. I will do one thing. I can type in computer, then I will project from there. I mean, I will copy the file and show in tomorrow. I mean, next class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. You can also try. I will share this. Okay. Bye to all.